Hi, welcome to today's tutorial on how to do a mental rotation task in PsychoPy. So, as you can see here, we're at the start menu of PsychoPy, the opening. We have all our coder and all our different tabs open. So, as you can see, you start off with a trial. You start off with nothing. So what we're going to do is insert a routine. Now this routine, I'm going to title beginning. And it gives you options to put it anywhere you want. So you can put it back here, as it is at the beginning. And this is what your participants are going to see as soon as they open up the experiment to run. So, well, first off, we can start up here at the stop time. Just cancel it out. It's going to make it so it lasts as long as it wants to until the participant decides to skip past it. So we'll start typing in mental rotation task. Let's see. Press. So as you can see, we've given the client or the participant a list of instructions. So they're going to press Y if the image is normal, and they're going to press N if the image is reversed. And then I also said that they can press any key to continue. So what we're going to do is OK, and now we have our text inserted. Then we're going to go to keyboard commands. So because I said press any key to continue, just get rid of them all. And that's really all you have to do in this screen. And there, you have your beginning. So now we're going to move to the trial. So in the trial, we're going to set up a fixation point. So I'll set it at 0.2, I guess. 0.5, I guess. Yeah, but this will, and we're going to make this a plus sign. This fixation point is just going to grab the participant's attention. And they pop up, so okay that. And then we're going to go to keyboard commands. I guess I'll make it 0 just to see the response time. And then duration, I guess I'm only going to give them 4 seconds. And then what we'll do for these keyboard commands, since we said press Y or N, is we're going to delete everything else. And we are also going to store the correct answer in here. So I'll explain this in a minute, but when you're using variables, which is what you'll need to use with this correct answer, you want to type a $sign and then whatever the variable is. So my variable is spelled like that, correct answer. So click OK. Click image. So now the image right here and this orientation are also variables, which I will show in 1 second. So images, orientation. Just going to check for time here. Okay, doing good. Set every repeat, set every repeat. And then we're also going to do 4 seconds, 5 seconds. There's that. And now I'll show you what I was talking about, those variables. So if you go into your Excel file, which I typed Excel, MR for mental rotation. Here's the variables listed. So we had the $sign images, $sign correct answer, and $sign of orientation. So in the images drop down, we have images, which is the name of my file that I have my images stored in, as well as the actual title of the image itself. I named it 51 because I use 5s in this experiment. I can show you guys that too. So when you guys are using an Excel file as well as images in the mental rotation task, I find it best, well, probably the only way to do it, is to have everything within your PsychoPy folder. So as you can see here, I have images. And let me go back. What am I doing? And then I also have the Excel MR. So I'm still a little confused with PsychoPy itself, but sometimes it's best to put them in this file, but sometimes it's also going to request the file from the original document that it was saved to. So, for example, at first I had my images in my documents folder, so later on it might say I can't find it because it's supposed to be in here, I believe. Yeah, I put it in here now, so it'll still work just in case, but yeah, you're just going to have to read the code and just try to troubleshoot anything that's going on if you're having problems with them identifying the files. But, so this is our Excel folder that we also have in that folder. I'm going to go back. And I'm just going to do the end first. So I'll do end here. And then I'll do text. Thanks for participating. Press any key to continue. Make that 0. And I'll also just add the keyboard commands for any. And then what we're going to do here is insert a loop. So this loop is going to go from here to here. And then this n reps is the number of repetitions that our images are going to play out. So I'll just do 1 right now for trial purposes. And then what we're going to do is need to go to our conditions and browse. So with this is where you're going to pull up the Excel file now. So I guess I'll pull it up in PsychoPy. And okay. And now that should be everything. Let's see how it works. Just check time. Okay. It's going to ask you participant. I cannot type this morning. David. And that was that. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys find some use out of it. Hope it's helpful. And have a good day, guys.